Hello and welcome back everyone to our 11th episode of SAP ABAP Development on our BTP platform. So in our earlier episode, we started the concept of table in ABAP on Cloud environment. For the creation of table, we had taken one requirement that we are going to have a header and item table, just like a normal on-prem system. We will connect them with the foreign keys and we will see how we are going to add data here in our tables. So for the creation of table, in any SAP system, we are required to go and follow certain steps. So, important note point I'm writing here. Before creating table, we are supposed to specify the domains and data element. In normal SAP system, before creating any table, we are supposed to specify the domains and data elements for the table. And we are going to do the same here. So what is domain? Let's give me an introduction for it. Domain Domain is nothing but it is the basic property. Domain tells us the technical characteristics of a column of a column. Domain tells us the technical characteristics of a column like data type and length. It also allows us to limit the values of a field. To limit the values of a field here. That is the thing. So we are also going to do the same and we will check that. Let's create our domain. I'll open our project and I'm going to open our project here. We will log in. So open and kindly give your credential so that we can log in into our BTP trial account. It will do the validation and we will be logging into ABAP development tools. We have been successfully logged in. Come back. My package. Open the package. I'll go my dictionary section. We are more focusing on the dictionary section here. So in this dictionary section, I will right click and I will go for the domain creation. New, and you see my domain. So I'll give here starting with the name Z domain, or I'll follow my naming convention here. Domain, what is my column name? First one, order ID. So I'm giving here order ID. So order ID. I will give a short description. Let's go to the next. Finish it. Now here in the data type section, you can choose your data type, the data type that you want for your column. And we also have the fixed value just like our on-premise system. If we relate it, let me just show you that as well. So I am going to use the credential, my S11, select the domain, and if you just give any of the domain, there you see we have the value range option, definition, just like the same we have here as well. So you can click on the browse and you can select the all the data type already given by SAP system. In our case, we want numeric character 3. So we will select here numeric character. I will scroll it down and I will check numeric character. I will give the length here as 3. Yeah. If you want to fix the values of this particular column, you can do, but this is my primary key. I don't want to fix the values. I will simply click on the activate button. Activating is very important in a ABAP system. It ensures that the runtime object has been generated and it will be saved inside the HANA database. So there is my ID. I will keep it here right after that. Next is our order date. So let's go and create, right click on the domain section now, new domain, date, order date, next. I will finish it. So now we have created our first one, domain for order ID. We will go for the next order date. So I will give here my dates, select date, and length is fixed 8. I will activate it. Our order date here, I will keep it here. Next one is our buyer name, character 30. So right click on the domain, create a new one, Z domain buyer, buyer. So buyer name. Next, you can go for and finish it. And you select your type, so character and 30 length. And I will click on the activate button, Control plus F3, so that it can be activated. Then we will copy it and we will put it down here. Next one is gross amount. So let's go there. Another domain, new domain, gross amount, gross amount. Next, and finish it. Here I will select a special type, which is my currency field, CURR. So let me check here, CURR currency field, and its length will be 13 up to 2 decimal format. I will activate this. And I'm going to copy and keep it here. Next one is our currency code. So right click on the domain, go for the new domain, give the name here. So description as currency code. Short description is mandatory so that other users can also understand why we are creating this object. Next, finish it. So by default length that we want is CUKY here. Its length is fixed. Pipe we can change it. So you also click on activate. And my domain has been created. My domain has been created. Here you see my domain has been created. Then I have my item table. So Both header and item table always have a common key. So this common key domain will also work here. Order ID. I will create my order item number. I am going to create my order item number here. And what I will do is, let's do one thing. I want to fix the values of this order item number using the or say I want its value should be only 1000 or 2000 or 3000 at max. Only three value I am allowing for the item number. Let's do this. I'll go here. I'll create a new domain. I'll give the meaningful name item number, order item number. Next, and finish it. I will select the data type here, character 3 length. And here I will fix the values. So if the value is my 1000, I will display here as 1000 only. If it is 2000, I will display it as a 2000. If it is 3000, let's make it 3000. I'm just doing a domain level validation. I don't want any other values other than these three. Okay, let's give one more, 4000. All right, I will activate it. There is some issue. Let's find it out. All the issues of your system, you can directly see this. Okay, we have length given greater than character 3. All right, let's change it to 100 and 200, 300 and 400. This is the beauty of having a field level validation. We can give any length here in the description and the same length will be used. So my requirement is for the item number, I want to display these four values. Instead of writing manually, only these four values should be allowed. I will do the activation. And I'll copy and I'll paste it here. Finally, order description is also there. So order description is character 40. So let's create a domain, new domain, order description, order description. Next, and finish it. Character 40 and activate it. So order description. We have created our domains for both the tables, right? So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe our channel, like the video, give your feedback in the comment section, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you very much.